Introduce features highlight or overview summary about APIO single front dash cam. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include 1080p, 10 fps, front dash cam. The dash cam is front camera shots road ahead at 1080p, 10 fps, or above at the same time. More details can be easily captured, including license plate and signpost by lens Rockchip 0836, built-in microphone and speaker 1510 in high quality. Compact design. Thanks to the small size and lightweight design, it is a handy design that primarily gives you a great view of the road around you. The built-in 200 mAh rechargeable battery. 1.5-inch LCD screen. It is suitable for instant playback of previously recorded video and audio files or for adjusting camera settings on the go. 170 degrees wide angle is enough to cover the whole road and not distort the image. Ideal choice of dash cam. Auto on/off, up/down. The dash cam can support up to 64/128 GB in any memory card as long as the card can be formatted to the FAT32 file system. The capacity is 32 GB and can use for 3 to 4 hours of 1080p recording, which is more than enough for most drivers. Multiple ports. It can connect with a TF port, mic USB port, standard port, and USB accessories, USB car charger, mic USB cable, crowbar. Especially this dashcam has software/program 5601 plus BG0836 for motion detection. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.